Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to switch to the HDR video recording mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to press this quick switch button here and then switch to the HDR video mode. And now you can record videos in HDR, just like this, like the ordinary videos but in HDR. And that's how it's done. Our HDR video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.